Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Princess from Nonong Senior, San Luis, Aurora. I'm 38 years of age and I'm happily married with 2 children, ages 14 years old and 8 years old. I'm a 2 years vocational graduate as computer programmer. My hobbies are cooking and singing. I also worked in Taiwan before as a caregiver for almost 1.5 years. My duties are taking care of the father of my employer, do the household chore, do the laundry, wash the dishes, and clean the house. I also work here in the Philippines as a nanny for a 2 years old baby girl for almost 3 years. As a full-time mom, I have experience taking care of the baby since they were born. I want to work in Hong Kong to provide my family needs and to earn money for their future. To my future employer, I hope you hire me as your helper because I'm honest, loyal, and trustworthy. And also, I'm a hardworking woman. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. God bless.